Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix this application cannot be opened error in on Mac. So if you are using MacBook Pro or MacBook Air M1 chip, M2 chip or M3 chip, this error happened in every MacBook when we download or install any applications from outer source like Google Chrome or any other browser. So how to fix it? First I'm going to show you that this one I have downloaded this wine staging. Okay, this one in my MacBook by Google Chrome, and when I want to install it, here you will see this. I get this error: wine staging cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. Okay, and this, so what you have to do, and here you will see move to win and cancel option. So what you need to do is you have to just go to setting. Okay, go to setting and cancel, and here you will see privacy options. Okay, privacy and security options. So when you click on privacy and security and scroll down, here you will see that wine staging was blocked from use because it is not from the identified developer. Now just click on open anyway. Now password, and you can now open it. Just click on open and it will be opened. Okay, so like this you can open any application and you can fix up this application can't be opened error on MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.